Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will do some questions regarding this the heights and distance. But before that, I will show you we can use the short way to find the values of any sides of triangle in which we have given the angle of 30 and 60. In the previous lecture, we have done that how you can find the quickly length of the any side of triangle when you were the angle given was 45. Take a look. Remember this. Suppose we have a triangle. This is 30. Suppose this is 60. Here this is 90. So if remember this, the side adjacent to 30 you must have it is a root 3, where a is side. A is side. A is the side adjacent to 60, and this hypotenuse is 2a. We will make it. We will clear it through your examples. Suppose you are given that this is your 30, this is 60. Suppose this is 2 root 3. 2 root 3. What is a? What is a? A is 2. So this would be 2. This will be 4. Without using PGT, Pythagoras theorem, or without finding the ratio of sides, you can easily calculate. Let us calculate. This is 16. If we find our answer is right, if we will check, this is 16. This is 2 and 2 4. 3 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16 equals 16. Suppose it is not necessary that you are given always here root. Suppose, for example, if we are given that this is suppose 8, here this is 30, this is here 60, we don't know any other sides. You must remember the side adjacent to 30 is always a root 3, and side adjacent to 60 it is always a is side. So a root 3 equals 68. So a is equal to 8 by root 3. Simple. So this should be 8 by root 3. And what is hypotenuse? It is twice a. It is 16 by root 3. Sometimes not necessary that you may keep 30 here or here also. Suppose in this case, put 30 here. Here 60. Sometimes this may also happen. So what is a? Always you have to remember this. A is this side, a root 3 is this side. Hypotenuse is twice a. Twice a. Twice a is the side adjacent to 60 angle. So if this is suppose 4, this is 4. What would be this? We will write a root 2, a root 3 equals 4. A is equal to 4 by root 3. This will be 4 by root 3. This will be twice. This is 8 by root 3. If you calculate this, you will find that answer will be same. How? This is, if you find this is 16 by 3. This is 16 by 3. This is 64. Sorry, if you check it, this should be equal. This is 64 by 3. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. This is 16 by 3 plus 16. So you can easily find here that these values are equal. So you have to remember that the side adjacent to the 30 angle 30 is a, and the side adjacent to the 30 it is a root 3, where a is the side adjacent to 60, and hypotenuse is twice a. Remember this. From these you can easily calculate. For example, if you have given only one side, suppose this is your 30, this is 90, so definitely this will be 60. Suppose here you are given 2, only this thing you were given. You can easily find the length of this side. How? This is a root 3. Simple. This is 2, so a is equal to 2 by root 3. This will be your 2 by root 3 a. This will be twice a. It is 4 by root 3. Simple. Very simple. You can easily calculate any value. Now let us do some textual questions. It is in your textbook. I will not write the question here, but I will. The book is in my hand. I will show you that it is question number 1. Just question number 1. You can. I recommend you that when you watch this video, please keep the book in front of you so that you can easily get the what we are supposed to do. Question is: a tree breaks due to storm and the broken pot bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground making angle of 30 degree with it. The distance between foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of tree. You need to find the height of tree. I hope you will understand it. So what is the question? We are given that a tree, this is tree, this is your tree, so definitely this is ground level. So tree was, suppose this, I will make this dotted line, this is the top. Suppose if we remember, if we consider this the top of the tree, a storm came, a storm broke out, and this top, it bends, it bent towards the ground in such a way, like this. This top was, this was the straight tree. Now what would happen? What happened? This part, it bends, it broke down and bends towards the ground side that the top of the tree, it touches the ground making angle of 30 degree. And what is the foot of this point? Is the foot of tree. This point is the foot of tree, and from the foot of tree to the point where it touches the ground, distance is 8 meter. Distance is 8 meter. You need to find the height of tree. I will ask you a question, which sides or will be included in the height of a tree? Simple. This side, let us name them. This side AB and AC. AB and AC. Simple. This was the part of a tree when it was straight. Now this broken part, this upper part breaks and it touches the ground. So remember this. So you need to find the length of this side, this side. There are two methods to do this. I will show you. First, we will find the length of AB. I already told you this is 30, this is 60. So this side is always A root, this is A. A root 3 equals 8. A is equal to 8 by root 3. So this is 8 by root 3. It is twice A. This is 16 by root 3. This is one method. So A is 8 by root 3. AC is 16 by root 3. This is shortcut method. So height of tree is 8 by root 3 plus 16 by root 3. This is 24 by root 3. You can rationalize it. Root 3 by root 3. This is 3. This is 24 root 3. 3 1 is 3 8 is. This is 8 root 3. This is one method. Simple. But in examination, this is mean for the competitive examination. But in examination, in your board examination, you have to write it in a very detailed manner. How? Let us do that in that method also. This method is meant for competitive examination. Simple. By just looking at the figure, you can just mentally calculate the height of a tree. Now this also, remember this method also, it will help you in your competitive examination. So we will do in this way. I always told you in the previous lecture that what you have to do is the side which you are supposed to find, put in numerator, take the ratio. We will write, first of all you must remember some just write some points here, not necessary so the whole of the things you have to write, just write some important points. We will write, let AC represents broken part of tree making angle of 30 degree with ground. So in triangle ABC, what we are supposed to find? AB. We will write AB. What we have given? BC. With respect to this angle, this is perpendicular by base. Tan how much? Tan 30. You know it very well. AB you don't know. This is 8. This is 1 by root 3. So AB equals, cross multiply here, it is 8 divided by root 3. So you have find AB. Now again, in triangle ABC, AC divided by BC. It is hypotenuse by base. This is cosec 30. Hypotenuse you don't know. BC is 8, cosec 30 is 2 by root 3. I hope you will understand it. AC equals 8 into 2, 16 divided by root 3. Simple. Now you will write height of tree. Height of tree equals AB plus AC. Simple. It is 8 by root 3 plus 16 by root 3. This is your root 3. This is 24. So here you can rationalize it. Root 3 by root 3. This is 24 root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 1 is 3, 8 is. This is 8 root 3. In the last you have to write hence the height of tree is 8 root 3 meter. So this is the examination point of view. You have to write in this method. But if this question like this will be asked in the competitive examination, I just show you the shortcut method. This is a root 3, this is a, this is twice a. Simple, you can easily calculate there. I hope you will understand this. If you have still any question or query, please mention it in the comment box, and in the next video lecture we will do some more questions regarding this heights and distance. Thank you class.